Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Doing a real-time Ford laminated door glass replacement, and we are going to take care of this right quick. So, show you how fast these guys can be done. We'll pull that little screw there, set him aside. Roll the window down, and then we are going to remove this felt molding here. So roll our window up, grab our hook tool, cup right there to anchor it, roll our window down a little bit to get some tension on the carriers, and then simply going to pop that one loose. And this one takes a little more looking for. Where are you hiding? There you are. Roll down our carrier. Pop our cup. Alright, that looks good. To put our felt molding back in. And our little screw here. Roll our window back up. And just like that, we are done. Remove your sticker, clean your windows, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.